Kyle. I'm out here at the Timber Age manufacturing facility, and I'm excited to give you some updates about what's been going on. Well, I'm on my way into our initial panel assembly area. So it's gonna get noisy here in a second, but we're gonna run in. We're gonna see Fernando. He's gonna be working on laying up panels and finishing with the CNC. Morning, Fernando. Doing a little virtual tour.
Okay.
For some of the kids from Battle Rock. We've got Nick. What are you guys up to?
We're trying to write out these panels so we can get the final wall assembly so you guys can get your library here shortly. So we're working on getting that.
That's awesome. You can see Chance is helping. Lots and lots of help. He's holding down membrane. You can see here's another one of the panels that's going to be going into the bigger pieces. We'll walk out and look at that here in just a second. Something kind of fun when I show you the machine again, you'll see these pieces of cardboard hanging off the sides, and that is Fernando and Chris, two of our team members, have been working to try and figure out how to keep our sawdust more in one place so that we don't have as big a cleanup. Hey, we're heading into the panel assembly area, and you're going to see what Nick and Ryan are up to.
Let's put your installs.
How's it going, guys?
Going good.
Ryan, Nick, it's over there. Nick, what are you working on?
Gotta screw some
screws in. These guys are, they're actually, Ryan, why don't you tell them what you're doing?
Screwing some cement board on to put stucco on once it gets put up.
Yep.
But yeah, that's kind of the finishing touch to this panel right here.